Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of immersion blenders to find the absolute best one for your kitchen. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or a busy professional, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Let's blend our way to culinary perfection together. Number 1. Mueller Living Hand Blender, the ultimate kitchen companion for culinary enthusiasts. With its powerful immersion blender and versatile attachments including a stainless steel blade, whisk, and milk frother, this appliance takes meal preparation to the next level. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, sauces, or soups, the Mueller Living Hand Blender delivers consistent results with ease. The stainless steel blade ensures durability and precision, while the whisk and milk frother add versatility to your culinary repertoire. Its ergonomic design and easy-to-use controls make blending a breeze, while the detachable components simplify cleaning. Elevate your cooking experience with the Mueller Living Hand Blender, where innovation meets convenience in the heart of your kitchen. Number 2. Ovent Electric Immersion Hand Blender, your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless blending. With its powerful 300-watt motor and stainless steel blades, this blender tackles everything from smoothies to purees with ease. The intuitive design features 2 mixing speeds, giving you precise control over your blending consistency. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling, while its portable design makes it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, pureeing baby food, or crafting hearty soups, the Ovent Hand Blender delivers impeccable results every time. Say goodbye to clunky appliances and hello to convenient, powerful blending with the Ovent Electric Immersion Hand Blender. Number 3. Amazon Basics 500-watt multi-speed immersion hand blender in silver is a game-changer in the kitchen. With its powerful motor, it effortlessly tackles everything from soups to smoothies. The multi-speed functionality ensures precise control, whether you're blending delicate sauces or crushing ice. Its sleek design and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use for extended periods. Plus, the detachable stainless steel blending arm simplifies cleaning. Overall, Amazon Basics Hand Blender delivers exceptional performance at an unbeatable value, making it a must-have for any home chef. Number 4. Peach Street Powerful Immersion Blender, your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless blending. With its robust 500-watt motor and turbo mode, this electric hand blender tackles everything from soups to smoothies with ease. The detachable base makes cleanup a breeze, while the handheld design ensures maximum control and convenience. Crafted with 304 stainless steel blades, it effortlessly purees, chops, and blends ingredients to perfection. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie or preparing baby food, this blender delivers outstanding results every time. Elevate your culinary experience with the Peach Street Powerful Immersion Blender, the must-have gadget for any modern kitchen. Number 5. Vamix Immersion Blender, a sleek stainless steel powerhouse standing at 18 inches tall. This kitchen essential combines durability with versatility, making it a must-have for any culinary enthusiast. From silky smooth soups to velvety sauces, its powerful motor effortlessly tackles any blending task with precision. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during extended use. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its detachable components and dishwasher-safe construction. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Vamix Immersion Blender elevates your culinary creations to new heights. Say goodbye to lumps and inconsistencies. With Vamix, perfection is just a blend away. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best immersion blender for your kitchen needs, it's essential to consider factors like power, versatility, and durability. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, soups, or sauces, the right immersion blender can make all the difference. After reviewing various options, we've highlighted some top contenders to help streamline your decision-making process. Thanks for tuning into our exploration of immersion blenders. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with fellow cooking enthusiasts. Happy blending!